Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Discord on your Nintendo Switch. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you might be wondering how to do this. And this is done by using a thing called Android or Lineage OS. So if you have it installed, I'll be showing you what the steps are to just go and get it going and download it. So what we're going to do is we're going to first press the power button. And we just need to restart our Switch to start. And then you can go on to Let's Find the application as fast. See if we switch, and we can go on to Hackate. We just go into it. So once we're here, we're just going to wait for this to load, and I'll show you what to do. So once we're over here, you want to go on some more configuration. And you have to tap on Android option. So once you press that, we're just going to wait for this to load. As I earlier said, you have to download Android in your Nintendo Switch, and then you will be able to download the Discord on it. So now that our Switch has Android install on it, and now we are in the Play Store. So what we're going to do is we're going to go download Discord over here. So we're going to select this here. We're just going to wait for this load. We're going to finish with this installing. Then we're going to log in into our accounts. And I'll just show you it fully working then. So now that it's done inside, we're just going to open Discord. And then we're going to log in. And then I can just show you how it looks on our Nintendo Switch. So let me log in. But as you can see, it's booting up. And here we have it Sophie over here. You can see that we have our servers over here, and I can basically do everything over here. Now, if I connect a headset or a mic right here, I can then start talking to people. And I can use this as an actual way to talk to people while I'm playing games on Android. While I'm playing Roblox on this, or watching a movie, I can share my screen and basically do everything over here. You also have all your settings as regular Discord over here. But if you want, you can also get the better Discord mod for Android, so it's something pretty cool to have if you have a Nintendo Switch. And you can even transfer your Switch files from the Discord server here onto your main one, or onto your USB drive by using one of the USB adapters. So that's basically how you can get Discord on your Nintendo Switch. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.